Most women suffer from dark underarms for a number of reasons. The appearance of dark underarms can be embarrassing at times. Dark underarms can be frustrating and could also affect your self-confidence. We conveniently forget about taking care of our underarm skin. But this small area is very sensitive and suffers from numerous problems such as pigmentation, ingrown hair, pimples, rashes and rough bumpy skin. Yet, one of the most common complaints raised by both men and women is underarm pigmentation or dark discoloration. Welcome to my channel. I'll add beauty quick result. Today I will share with you how to whiten dark underarms instantly, remove unwanted body hair, 100% natural. Let's start this remedies. Please, you must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. First I need Turmanic powder. It contains a chemical known as curcumin, which is an antioxidant and helps lighten the skin tone in the underarm area. Turmeric is considered as one of the most effective natural remedies for skin lightening. How to apply. For 100% results, mix turmeric with lemon juice to make a paste. Then second step. Lemon juice. Lemon has antibacterial as well as antiseptic properties, hence it acts like a natural bleaching agent. Apart from lightening the skin, lemon also helps in exfoliating the cells that become dead over a period of time. Then third step. We need tomato. Raw tomato is extremely effective in lightening the skin in the underarm area. It also helps reduce sweating, which is a major cause of darkening of the area. Like lemon juice, tomato juice too consists of bleaching properties that naturally help in reducing discoloration. We have to mix it well. How to use. Apply your dark underarms and leave 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, clean by normal water. Do it 3 times per week. Apply 5 to 6 weeks for good result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.